Ted here with Amazing Medical. My friend Adam sent me this mysterious photo and suggested that I do a video on it. He wants to know what this lesion is on this man's arm and how he got it. Well, it took me a lot of digging, but I finally figured it out. It's known as a keratoacanthoma. It's more commonly called a deadly blackhead. It starts off seemingly as a common pimple or blackhead, but then it suddenly grows rapidly and out of control. They're believed to originate in hair follicles. Sometimes they resolve themselves, but others get so bad, when they finally heal, they leave some really deep scarring. Doctors are really not sure what causes them. They're usually treated with cryotherapy, which means a doctor uses liquid nitrogen to freeze them off. So the good news is, these things are treatable, so long as you don't let them get out of control. Thanks for watching, and if you're new to Amazing Medical, please subscribe.
Hey folks, are you wondering how to boost your immune system to help protect yourself in cold and flu season? Well, maybe it's time for you to stock up on Meta 7. Meta 7 ingredients like B12 and B6 are the building blocks to a healthy immune system. In fact, according to health.com, vitamin B12 is a powerhouse. It helps make DNA, nerve and blood cells, and is crucial for a healthy brain and immune system. So if you're over 50, don't eat a balanced diet, or suffer from fatigue and could use a nice boost, then try Meta 7 today.
I can think better, and all around it's helped me out.
Do you feel shaky, jittery, or anything like that?
No, not at all.
Fantastic.
It made me feel much better physically and actually mentally.
Ever since I started taking it, I have energy throughout the day. I have no problem making it through my runs, energy all night. I'm in a good mood.
Check out the Amazon links in the description below, and you can order today with Amazon Prime.